my name is Nagaraj Shet from Kumta to this time journey. So I'm Gokarna journey is this time issue is so veto power. Veto power is no available this country. This country is veto power no available. Why? This country veto power why? Because this five biggest country veto power available, and this country is most democracy country of all over world, and second ranking people generation this country available, and no veto power available. Why this why? And so this country big problem at cross border terrorism. This terrorism supporting country Pakistan. Pakistan is most dangerous country and beggar country. This time beggar country is so this country now my Indian country is so veto power. This thinking PM and every state PM deeply issue and thinking this issue is most big issue, and thinking every people this country living every citizen people this issue is so thinking, and more important and financially weak this country, and so big problem, and the veto power available and attacking is demolish this Pakistan country, terrorism supporting country Pakistan country, and this time financially weak and 87 ranking and dollar and pound tally this country is so American permission in attacking every attacking is American permission, and most dangerous moment this time attacking so soldier death and passenger killed, tourism killed, and so most dangerous moment this country is so cross border terrorism attack, and big problem this country problem is so this beggar country Pakistan so demolish as this time is so big supporting Lashkar-e-Taiba and Jaish Ahmad terrorism this trust this that country supporting so Pakistan. So this country this big problem is so veto power is no available. This country is five biggest country to veto power available: China and America and France, so England and Russia. So five country veto power available, and this country veto power is so available.